All right, everyone, how's it going? You all doing well? Oh! The 1999 Defender 90 is definitely one of the biggest rarities in Brazil. Okay, this car is completely original. I sold this car about a year and a half ago. The person who bought it already has another one, didn't adapt to the car and is going to sell it. This car is practically the only owner when I bought it. It was the only owner. I sold it to this person who is the second owner, and it's a car that's just spectacular, totally out of the ordinary. The color is red, with a white roof and white wheels, all original. There's a 9,500-pound winch here in the front. It's working. Everything is in good shape. The front is all original. The paint is all original. And it has Pirelli Scorpio, 235, 85, 16 tires. It's the original measurement. It's in great condition. Still has plenty of rubber here. And what are you going to say about this? What do you have to say about it? And it's one, all the lights on the car are original. Everything is original. The bumpers are original. All the lights here, all the windows are original. The Rolanda, everything. This car has only undergone polishing. It just had a polish and absolutely nothing else. Everything. This car has only undergone polishing. It just had a polish and absolutely nothing else. The rest is as if it just came out of the factory in that configuration. The red ones, there weren't many of them, right? They're some of the most sought after cars out there because in fact they are rare. So, you can even find them painted, renovated, in the same style, in the same color, but original like this, white fly. One blue, another green. In this, it's a characteristic that's really hard to find. I'm going to show you inside. Well, inside. It's absolutely original. Everything is original here. The car is still in great shape. There's no corrosion, nothing at all. The fabric seat is perfect, perfect, perfect. It's totally perfect. Original cup box. Oh, the passenger seat is perfect too. The rear seat is original. The original roof is back here too. It's even a little saggy, but that's totally understandable, right? For its year, this car has only 186,000 kilometers. Okay, the air conditioning needs a checkup. I think it's just the gas actually, because it was cooling just fine until another day. Now it stopped. But the mechanics of this car are impeccable. Okay, and I'm going to show you its entire history. There, original glass still. Oh, all the glass is original. So guys, it's a rare car, extremely rare, extremely rare. I'm going to show you why it's rare. Oh, the original purchase invoice. It came out of BMW. How much was it worth, guys? How much was it worth? Where is it? Where's the price? It was worth 30 grand, man. It was worth 30 grand. All the BMW invoices are here. Okay? This car has a new battery. It spent years and years and years with a specialist, okay? Later, it went to another mechanic. But there's the entire history of the car right here. There's a lot of history about it here. It also has all the documents from its only owner. In his name, okay, it was from BMW. First, then it was Mr. Luis, who I bought this car from back then. So it has the entire history from all the years. That's why I say, guys, it's really, really, really hard to find someone who has taken care of a car like this for so long, organized and taken care of a car like this for so long.